Okay, I got a 2008 Toyota Yaris. I'm going to remove the rear speakers. So in order to remove it, you will need the door removal kit, flathead, one of the unibit. What it is, you gotta screw out the what is that thing called? Pivots to remove it. But in order to, I'm gonna show you how to remove it first. So in order to remove it, you want to pry it out right here. Just pry it out slowly, and then kind of use your hand, both of your hand. Don't pull it too hard, just pull it enough to come out like that. So there's mainly clips, same as over here. Do the same thing, just pull out that clip. It looks like it's gonna break. Don't pull it too much. So this is all I'm gonna be moving out, this much. Actually, if you want to, you can remove everything, but I don't want to do all that. So now you can't see right here, so you probably can see, but anyway, I'm gonna grab the camera. I'm gonna show you what you have to remove. So you want to carefully look at that part right there. You want to take that uni-bit or any drill bits and take this out. I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit, maybe it's easier. So the uni-bit, you got it right there. Just spin it. And while you spin that, it kind of loosens it up, and use that tools, the removal tool, and just pry it out. You're gonna have to break it anyway if you don't want to, because you're not gonna use it anymore. So you can break that piece out. Same as that, just kind of use the pivot it and break it out, because you don't need that speaker no more. And then you want to hook up the red, is the positive for that, and that's it. And just screw it back, self-tap to screw it back. So you got the red to positive, and then the white is negative, and then you want to run it behind, and then you're gonna have to use self-tap screw and screw this on here. I would start off right here first and then put the speaker in. I kind of cheated a little bit. I only put 3. I don't have to put 1 right here. You can, but it's gonna be really difficult because of the metal right there. But other than that, it's fine. You're good to go. It ain't gonna come out. You got enough screw anyway. All you need is 2.